Hello everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to Simple Crypto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an account with Coinbase. But first, what is Coinbase? Coinbase is a secure platform for buying, selling and swapping digital currencies and is the most popular place for beginners to get started with cryptocurrency. They have a huge range of digital coins, including all the popular ones you've probably already heard of, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and many more. So to get started, we're going to go to coinbase.com. From the homepage, click the Get Started button and enter your name, email address, and a password. Make sure you choose a secure password to keep your account protected. Coinbase will give you some information on their commitment to secure data handling, followed by their privacy policy. Have a read through the information before selecting I acknowledge. Next, there's an option to receive email updates, special offers, and other news and perks from Coinbase. We're going to go ahead and say yes to this for now. We now need to confirm our email address, so head over to your inbox and verify it's you by clicking the link. As an added layer of security, we're going to add our phone number in order to set up two-step verification. Enter your number, and then enter the 7-digit verification code that you receive a few moments later. We're nearly there with account creation. There's just a few more pieces of information that Coinbase is required to gather before we get started buying and selling. You'll need to select your citizenship. In this example, we're creating this account as a UK citizen. This is followed by some easy extra info, including your address, birthday, what you plan to use Coinbase for, and then a couple of general questions about your industry and how much you might expect to invest. Almost done. As a final step, we need to verify our identity and prove that we are, in fact, the person who is making this account. You can verify with a passport, driver's license, or a national ID card. You can upload a photograph or scan of your chosen method, or use a webcam if it's easier. The next step is Coinbase's job. While they verify your provided method of identification, you can take a break. This can take a few hours, but usually shouldn't keep you waiting too long. For this example, we only had to wait about 15 minutes. Once verification is complete, you'll get an email from Coinbase to let you know that you're ready to go. And that's it for making the account. You should find yourself with this interface once you've been verified. But as you can see, we still need to add a payment method so that we can add funds to our account. So we're going to click Add Payment Method and select an option from the pop-up window. There's a few choices here. As we can see, the recommended option is to connect a UK bank account. So let's choose this. Enter the sort code and account number of your bank account, and then we'll need to click Verify. In order to verify your account, you're going to need to make a small transfer into your Coinbase account from your bank account. You can add the funds you plan to invest, or if you prefer, you can just send a very small amount just to get things verified. So we're just going to go away to our bank account and make a £1 transfer for now. Coinbase provides all the details to include in the transfer, so it's all very easily done. Now, before confirming the transfer, ensure that you've entered all the right information, especially the reference number provided. Once you've made the transfer, you'll soon see that the funds have arrived and your account is all set up and ready to go. Congratulations, you're now ready to start using Coinbase. Now, if you're a total beginner and unsure where to start, don't worry, Coinbase has a huge library of educational learning materials that will teach you all you need to know to get going. If we click this icon here, you'll be taken to the Learn and Earn page, where you can learn about crypto, and as you can see, you can actually earn various digital currencies by completing the lessons while increasing your knowledge as well. Take some time exploring the interface and getting familiar with all that Coinbase has to offer, and soon be well on your way into the world of crypto. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on Simple Crypto.